Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hickory County, eastern Benton County, western Millard County, Camden County, Morgan County, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. West Central Iowa, until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ralston, or 12 miles, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lytton, Lake City, Twin Lakes State Park, Arthur North Noy Airport, Needham, Rockwell City Municipal Airport, Palm.